Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix the unable to log in to GeForce Experience issue. Follow these simple steps and you'll be back in no time. Before we start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you find the tips helpful. First, go to the Windows search bar and type Services, then click on the Services app. Once the window opens, press the N key on your keyboard to quickly find Nvidia services. Look for Nvidia Local System Container and Nvidia Display Container LS. For both services, right-click and select Properties. Make sure the startup type is set to automatic. Check if the service status is running. If it's stopped, click Start. If the services are already running, you can try right-clicking and selecting Restart. After making sure the services are running and set to automatic, restart your computer and see if the issue is resolved. If the problem persists, open your browser and search for Nvidia Login. Click on the link to log in to your Nvidia account through the browser. After logging in, open GeForce Experience again. It should now log you in automatically. And that's it. Hopefully this solves your login issue with GeForce Experience. If this helped, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick fixes. Thanks for watching, and take care.